Welcome to mathematics class, System of Circles, Part 1. వృత్త సరణి మొదటి భాగం. The angle between two circles, రెండు వృత్తాల మధ్య కోణం. S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. The given two circles, then the angle between two circles is defined as the angle between their tangents at their point of intersection. రెండు వృత్తాల మధ్య కోణము ఆ రెండు వృత్తాల ఖండన బిందువు వద్ద గీసినటువంటి స్పర్శరేఖల మధ్య కోణమే రెండు వృత్తాల మధ్య కోణం అవుతుంది. If the angle between the two circles is theta, then cos theta is equal to d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2, where d is the distance between the two centers. రెండు కేంద్రాల మధ్య దూరం d అవుతుంది. r1 r2 లో వృత్తాల వ్యాసార్థాలు, the radius of two circles. Then the cos theta is equal to d square minus r square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2r1 r2. Or cos theta is equal to c1 plus c2 minus 2 g1 g2 minus 2 f1 f2 by 2 under root g1 square plus f1 square minus c1 under root g2 square plus f2 square minus c2. You can find the angle by using either of these two formula. Look at the figure. Two circles intersecting and the tangents at that intersecting point for two circles. So this angle between the tangents at the point of intersection is the angle between the circles. If the angle is 90 degrees, then they are called orthogonal to each other. లంబ వృత్తాలు అంటాం, వాటి మధ్య కోణం 90 డిగ్రీలు అయితే. కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్థోగోనాలిటీ, లంబ వృత్తాలు కావడానికి నియమం. If the angle of intersection of the two circles is a right angle, that is 90 degrees, then such circles are called orthogonal circles. And condition for orthogonality is 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2. So look at this formula. If the angle is 90 degrees, cos 90 is 0. So from this we get this numerator is 0. So from that we get this condition. రెండు వృత్తాలు లంబంగా ఉంటే ఇది నియమం. 2g1 g2 plus 2f1 f2 is equal to c1 plus c2 కావాలి. The equation of the family of circles passing through the point of intersection of two given circles, s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0, is given as s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0, where lambda is a parameter. Look at this figure. Two circles, s is equal to 0 and s dash is equal to 0, intersecting at a and b. రెండు వృత్తాలు ఏబి బిందువుల వద్ద ఖండించుకుంటున్నాయి. ఈ ఏబి బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్ళే ఈ డాటెడ్ సర్కిల్, దీని సమీకరణం s ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా s అవుతుంది. Any circle passing through the points of intersection of these two circles is s plus lambda s dash is equal to 0. The equation of the family of circles passing through the point of intersection of circle s is equal to 0 and line L is equal to 0 is given as s plus lambda L is equal to 0, where lambda is a parameter. ఇక్కడ ఒక వృత్తము ఒక రేఖ ఖండించుకుంటే ఏబి బిందువుల వద్ద, ఈ ఏబి బిందువుల గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణం, ఏబి బిందువుల గుండా పోయే వృత్త సమీకరణం మనకు ఎస్ ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ఎల్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవుతుంది. ఒక వృత్తము రేఖ ఖండించుకున్నప్పుడు ఆ ఖండన బిందువుల గుండా వెళ్ళే వృత్త సమీకరణం ఎస్ ప్లస్ లాంబ్డా ఎల్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. రాడికల్ యాక్సిస్, మూలాక్షం s1 minus s2 is equal to 0 is the radical axis. It is a straight line. If two circles s1 and s2 are given, then s1 minus s2 is equal to 0 is the radical axis of the two circles, and you can observe this dotted line is the radical axis. రెండిటి మధ్య నుండి వెళ్తుంది. ఇది రెండు వృత్తాలకు మూలాక్షము అంటాం. If circles are separated, then this dotted line is the radical axis. The circles are intersecting, like in the second figure. This common chord is s minus s dash, and the radical axis becomes common chord. ఈ మూలాక్షమే వృత్తాలు ఖండించుకుంటున్నప్పుడు వాటి స్పర్శ ఝ అవుతుంది. వృత్తాలు స్పర్శించుకుంటే, ఇఫ్ ద సర్కిల్స్ ఆర్ టచింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ externally, and the tangent, common tangent at the point of contact is the radical axis. So depending on the circles, the same radical axis becomes if the two circles are separated outside, this dotted line in between the two circles is the radical axis. If the circles intersect, the common chord is the radical axis. If the circles touch each other, the common tangent is the radical axis. If the circles touch internally, then the common tangent is the radical axis. If the circles separated one inside the other, ఒక వృత్తం రెండో వృత్తం లోపల తాకకుండా విడిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు no common chord or radical axis exists. మూలాక్షం కానీ ఝ కానీ ఈ సందర్భంలో వ్యవస్థితం కాదు. If three circles are there and the centers of the three circles are non-collinear, ఈ మూడు వృత్తాలు వాటి కేంద్రాలు సరేఖీయాలు కానటువంటి మూడు వృత్తాలు ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటి మూడు వృత్తాల మూలాక్షాలు అనుశక్తాలు అవుతాయి, అంటే ఒకే బిందువు వద్ద ఖండించుకుంటాయి. ఆ ఖండన బిందువును రాడికల్ సెంటర్ మూల కేంద్రము అంటాం. If three circles whose centers are not collinear, then the radical axes of each pair are concurrent, and these point of concurrency of radical axis is radical center. You can look at this figure. 0 is the radical center. So with these concepts, with this information, let us try to solve some problems from the exercise. Find K find K if x square plus y square minus 6x, x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 6y plus k is equal to 0 are orthogonal. ఒకదానికి ఒకటి పరస్పరం లంబంగా ఉంటే k విలువను కనుక్కోవాలి. Now let this be the first circle. Let this is the equation 1 and this is second circle. So in first circle, the 2g value is minus 6 comparing with the general equation. So 2g, let us take 2g1 minus 6. So g1 is minus 6 by 2. So g1 value is minus 3. Y coefficient 2 f1 is minus 8. f1 is equal to 8 by 2 is minus 4, and c1 the constant is 12. In second equation, two g2 is minus 4. So g2 is minus 4 by 2. So g2 is equal to minus 2. 2f2 is equal to 6. So f2 is equal to 6 by 2. f2 is equal to 3. And c2 is k. So after writing g, f, c values in both the circles, now the condition for orthogonality. Now the condition నియమం లంబంగా ఉండడానికి నియమం టూ G1 G2 2 F1 F2 C1 plus C2 is the condition, and substituting the values 2 G1 minus 3 G2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 2 F1 minus 4 F2 3 C1 12 C2 K. Minus minus plus 2 into 3 6 6 into 2 12. So this is plus into minus minus 2 into 4 8 8 into 3 54. You can bring this 12 left side, that becomes minus. So plus 12 minus 12 will get cancelled. Now K value is equal to minus 24. Very simple problem. Finding G1, G2, F1, F2, C1, C2, and substituting in the condition, you get the K value. In similar problems, if they are orthogonal, prove the condition. Let us take up one more problem. Find the radical axis of these are all very short questions. Radical axis of the given circles. మూలాక్షాలు కనుక్కో. Radical axis of x square y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 7. First circle, and 4 into x square plus y square 8x 12y minus 9 is equal to 0. So let first circle as s x square y square 4x 6y minus 7 as first equation, and s dash dividing with 4, you can write 8 by 4 2x plus 12 by 4 3y minus 9 by 4, the second equation. Now the radical axis మూలాక్షం is s minus s dash is equal to 0 is the radical axis. So subtracting from one from another, that is very simple. మూలాక్షం కనుక్కోవడం, ఒకదాని నుండి ఒకటి తీసేయాలి, డైరెక్ట్గా తీసేయచ్చు. x square minus y square plus 4x 6y, ఒకదాని కింద ఒకటి రాసి తీసేయచ్చు, లేదా మైనస్, ఇవన్నీ గుర్తులు మారుతాయి, ది చేంజ్ ద సైన్, minus into minus plus 9/4 is equal to 0. So x square y square will get cancelled, and 4x minus 2x 6y minus 3y plus 3y minus 7 plus 9/4. So multiplying with 4 into 2, 8x, 4 into 3, 12y, 4 into 7, 28, 4 into 9/4, 4 will get cancelled, 9. So this is the radical axis, 8x, 12y minus 19 is the radical axis. Moola aksham. Very simple, subtracting one from another. ఒక వృత్తంలో నుంచి మరొక వృత్తాన్ని తీసేస్తే మూలాక్షం అవుతుంది. Now let us take up one more. Find the equation of common chord. Find the equation of common chord. Ummadi ja of x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3, x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4. So let this be first equation and this second equation. S minus S dash is the common chord. S minus S dash. వృత్తాలు ఖండించుకున్నప్పుడు S minus S dash the radical axis ఏ కామన్ కార్డ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే x square y square 4x 4y plus 3, subtracting second circle x square y square plus 5x, గుర్తులు మారుతాయి, plus 6y minus 4, x square y square will get cancelled. So minus 4x plus 5x x అవుతుంది, minus 4y plus 6y plus 2y, 3 minus 4 minus 1. So this is the common chord. ఇందాక ఫిగర్లో చూసాం మనం ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ అయినప్పుడు కామన్ కార్డ్ రాడికల్ యాక్సిస్ కామన్ కార్డ్ అవుతుంది. తర్వాత one more, find the angle between the circles. Find angle between the వృత్తాల మధ్య కోణం కనుక్కోవాలి. x square y square minus 12x minus 6y plus 41 x square y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 59. రెండు వృత్తాల మధ్య కోణం కనుక్కోవాలి. So let this be first equation, this second equation అనుకుంటే in equation 1, so 2g is minus 12, 2f is minus 6, c value 41. So g minus 12 by 2 minus 6, f minus 6 by 2 minus c minus 3, c value 41. Now center of first circle c1 అనుకుంటే, సో దీని ఫార్ములా minus g minus f, therefore minus into minus 6 plus 6 minus into minus 6 comma 3, దీని సెంటర్ అవుతుంది ఫస్ట్ సర్కిల్. Now radius r1 అనుకుందాం, ఫస్ట్ రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ సర్కిల్. ఫార్ములా g square f square minus c. So g square, so minus 6 square minus 3 square minus c అంటే 41. So 6 square 36, 3 square 9, 41. 36 plus 9, 45 minus 41, that is root 4. Root 4 is 2. Therefore R1 value is 2. Now in equation 2, second equation, 2g value is 4, that is x coefficient. 2f value is 6 and constant 59. So 2g 4, g value 4 by 2 is 2, f value 6 by 2 is 3. Now center of second circle minus g minus f formula. So g value minus 2 is minus 3. Now let us find the radius of second circle g square f square minus c 2 square 3 square minus into minus plus 59 4 3 square is 9 59 plus 9 68 plus 4 is 70 root 72 36 into 2 that is 6 root 2 is the radius. Now the distance between two centers, so D is the distance between two centers. So center C1 6, 3, C2 minus 2 minus 3, six minus minus 2, 6 plus 2, x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు 3 minus minus 3 అంటే 3 plus 3, 8 square 6 square 64 plus 36 that is 100. So D value is 10. Distance between the two centers 10. Now the formula cos theta D square minus R1 square minus R2 square by 2 R1 R2. Cos theta is equal to D square 10 square minus R1 square that is 2 square minus root 72 square 2 into R1 10 R2 root 72 or 6 root 2. Root 72 can be written as 6 root 2. 10 square 100, 2 square 4, so root will get cancelled. This is 72 by 2 into 6, 12 into 10, 120 root 2. 72 minus 72 minus 4 minus 76 minus 76 into minus 76 into here this is 2. R1 value is 2, that is 2. 2 into 6, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 6, 24. This is 24. 2 into 2, 4 into 6, 24 root 2. So 100 minus 76, 24 by 24 root 2 is 1 by root 2. Before we get cancelled. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. We know that theta is pi by 4 or 45 degrees. So this is the angle between the two circles. Let us take up one more problem. Show that the angle between the circles, same problem. Show that the angle between the circles show that the angle between the వృత్తాల మధ్య కోణం x square plus y square is equal to a square, and x square plus y square is equal to ax plus ay is 3 pi by 4 అని చూపాలి. So let the first circle as x and second circle as dash minus ax minus ay is equal to 0, bringing ax ay left side. Then let it be second equation. So now in equation 1, this circle center is 0 0 and radius is a. We know directly you can write the center of this one is origin and the radius is a. So in second equation, now g value, 2g value is minus a. So a value is minus a by 2. 2f y coefficient is minus a. So f value is also minus a by 2. And the constant term is not there. That is constant is 0. From this, the center of second circle minus g minus f is the formula. So minus into minus plus a by 2 is a by 2. a by 2 is the center. Now the radius of second circle g square f square minus c formula. G square is a by 2 square and f square also same minus c 0. So this is a square by 4 and a square by 4, that is 2 a square by 4, a square by 2, that is a by root 2. This is the radius of second circle, a by root 2. Next, distance between the two centers. First center is 0, 0, and second center a by 2, a by 2. Distance between them, that is d, c1, c2. So distance between origin and this one, so a by 2 minus 0, a by 2 square. This is also a by 2 minus 0, a by 2 square. A square by 4, a square by 4. So that is 2a square by 4, that is a square by 2. So a by root 2. So d value also a by root 2. Now the angle cos theta d square minus r1 square minus r2 square by 2 r1 r2 d a by under root a square by 2, d square is a square by 2, r1 is a, r1 square is a square, and r2 square also a square by 2 by 2, r1 is a, r2 is a by root 2. Numerator a square by 2 will get cancelled. So here minus a square by, so this is 2 can be written as root 2 a into a square. So 1 root 2 will get cancelled, and a square also will get cancelled. Now cos theta minus 1 by root 2. So this implies theta value is pi minus pi by 4. So that is 4 pi minus pi by 4. That is 3 pi by 4. We have to show that the angle is 3 pi by 4, that is 135 degrees. Let us take up one more problem. Find the radical center center of x square y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 x square y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 x square y square minus 6x minus 2y is equal to 0. So let the equations as 1, 2, 3. 3 circles are there. We have to find radical center. If 3 circles, their centers are not collinear, then this is one radical axis, this is another radical axis. This is first circle, second and third. This point of intersection is the radical center. Now let us find the radical axis of 1 and 2. Radical axis of 1 and 2 is 1 minus 2 will give us radical center, radical axis. Subtracting one from other, you can directly subtract by seeing the circles. X square and y square will get cancelled. Minus 4x minus into minus plus 2x. Otherwise you can write directly also oral subtraction. ఇది ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒకటి రాయొచ్చు, ఒకదాని కింద ఒకటి రాసి కూడా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. So in this way you can subtract. Sign will change. X square and y square will get cancelled. Minus 4 plus 2 minus 2x minus 6 plus 4 minus 2y 5 plus 1 plus 6. So you can divide this with minus 2. Sign will change. So let us call it as equation 4. This is one radical axis. Now we need at least 2 radical axes. And subtracting now radical axis of 2 and 3, that is 2 minus 3, second circle minus third circle. Minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 minus 6 minus 2 is equal to 0. Sign change. x square y square will get cancelled. Minus 2 plus 6, 4x minus 4 plus 2 and minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 and 5 solving will give us the radical center. We need not find 3 radical axes. You can find radical axis of first 1 and 2 circles and 2 and 3 circles. So this point of intersection of these 2 radical axes will give us radical center. ఏవైనా రెండు మూలాక్షరాలను కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత వాటి ఖండన బిందువు మూల కేంద్రం అవుతుంది. మీరు 1 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు లేదా 1 3 తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఎనీ 2 pair circles and find the radical axis. Now solving fourth equation and fifth. 2 into fourth equation, multiplying fourth equation by 2. The y values equal అవుతాయి. 2x plus 2y, 2x, 2y, 2 into 3, 6. Fourth equation 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత ఫిఫ్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ గా రాసుకుంటే y టర్మ్ ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది. సో 2y 2y, ఒకటి ప్లస్ ఒకటి మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేస్తే 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి. 4 2 6x minus 6 minus 1 minus 7. So x value minus 7 by 6. Minus 7 ఇక్కడ వస్తే ప్లస్ 7 అవుతుంది. ప్లస్ 7 by 6. సో ఈ x వాల్యూను మనం ఫోర్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే fourth equation x plus y minus 3. Fourth equation x plus y అంటే 7 plus 6 plus y minus 3. So y value 3 యువతలకి వస్తే ప్లస్ 7 by 6 మైనస్ అవుతుంది. LCM 6 into 3 18 minus 7 11 by 6. Y value 11 by 6. Therefore, the radical center is minus 7 plus 7 by 6 and 11 by 6. For radical axis, we need to find 2 for radical center, any 2 radical axes, and solving them will give us radical center. So thank you for watching this video.